Hey there, food fanatics. Have you ever stared into your fridge, eyes locked on that carton of milk and wondered, is it past its prime or ready for prime time? You see that date stamped on the side and think, this is it, the final countdown. But hold your horses, dairy devotees. Today we're diving deep into the wonderful world of milk to uncover the truth about its shelf life. We're talking busting myths, sniffing out spoilage, and mastering the art of milk preservation. Whether you're a casual cereal soaker or a hardcore milk-chugging champion, this video's for you. Get ready to become a milk maestro because by the time we're done, you'll be saying Moo-ving over expiration date, I'm the boss of this fridge. Alright, let's address the elephant in the room, or rather, the carton in the fridge. That use by date, it's more like a Best Buy suggestion. Yep, you heard me right. See, the dairy industry isn't out to pull a fast one on you. They're just playing it safe, ensuring you get the freshest, most flavorful milk experience. But here's the kicker. Milk often stays good well past that printed date. How long, you ask? Well, that depends on a few factors, my friend. But fear not, because we're about to unlock the secrets to milk longevity. So, how long does milk last in the fridge? Think of it like this. Fresh milk is like a marathon runner, it's got stamina. On average, you're looking at a solid 5 to 7 days past that use-by date. But remember folks, this ain't an exact science, it's more like a delicate dance between storage, temperature, and a little bit of dairy intuition. Keep your eyes peeled because in the next few chapters, we're gonna break down the key factors that affect milk's lifespan and show you how to keep it fresher, longer. Now, milk is a creature of comfort, and its happy place is in the chilly embrace of your refrigerator. But not just anywhere, mind you, we're talking the coldest zone, the back of the top shelf. You see, milk is a bit of a drama queen when it comes to temperature swings. The door might seem like prime real estate, but it's actually the worst offender for fluctuating temps. Keep that milk tucked away in the back, where the temperature stays a cool and consistent 38 degrees Fahrenheit or lower. Trust me, your milk will thank you for it. Alright, milk detectives, it's time to put your senses to the test. Forget the calendar, sometimes the best way to gauge milk's freshness is with your nose. If you open that carton and get a whiff of something sour, tangy, or just plain off, that's your cue. It's time to bid farewell to that batch and grab a fresh gallon. Remember, when in doubt, throw it out. It's better to be safe than sorry, especially when it comes to your digestive system. Want to stretch your milk's lifespan further than a contortionist at a circus? It's all about proper storage, my friends. First and foremost, keep that milk chilled like a polar bear's toenails. Second, make sure that carton is sealed up tight after every pour. We're talking airtight, no exceptions. Exposure to air is like kryptonite to milk's freshness. And lastly, remember our refrigerator real estate lesson? Back of the top shelf, people. No door soirees for this dairy diva. Now for the grand finale, the piece de resistance of milk preservation, freezing. That's right, you can freeze milk. It's like hitting the pause button on freshness. Just portion it out into freezer-safe containers, leaving a little room for expansion and toss it in the deep freeze. Thaw overnight in the fridge when you're ready to use it. Remember, freezing might slightly alter the texture, so it's best for cooking and baking rather than straight-up sipping. There you have it, folks. You're now well on your way to becoming a milk-preserving pro. Remember, that expiration date is just a suggestion, not a death sentence. By following our tips on storage, temperature, and that all-important sniff test, you'll be maximizing your milk shelf life and minimizing waste. Now go forth and conquer that fridge with your newfound dairy knowledge. Got a milk mustache of wisdom? Share your tips in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more dairy delightful vids.